Hello students, good morning. Welcome to a new ICT period. Today we are going to talk about is it cyberbullying? If you remember the last week in the school, it was bullying week. What's the difference between the normal bullying and cyberbullying? This is what we're going to know today. Before we're going to start the lesson, I want everyone to play this game. If you will find the game link on Schoology on week 12. Here you go. After you click on the link, it will open this game. And here, welcome to Digital Passport. Click Start a New Game. Then it will ask you to write your first name. Just write your first name. Then you click what? Start. Play game. This is it's a challenge. It's optional. You don't have to do it. You need to tick on these pictures to know and answer the questions. You play next. Click on the failing bullies to keep them from this. This one, for example, you click on it. You read and answer the questions. Okay, guys? This is the game. Okay. Now let's go back to our lesson for today. Okay, our essential question, what is cyberbullying and what can you do to stop it? Okay, our learning objective: recognize similarities and differences among being mean, in-person bullying, and cyberbullying. Our success criteria: empathize with the targets of cyberbullying, identify strategies for dealing with cyberbullying and how they can be standards for those being bullied. Complete the lesson assessment by answering questions. Okay, let's continue. Let me ask a question here. There is a difference between joking, being mean, and bullying? What they are? Please, I want you to take a moment, pause the video, and think about what is the difference between joking, being mean, and bullying. Okay, let's watch this video together.
When we're mean, we might say or do things that hurt others. We might be feeling angry, upset, or jealous. It could happen once, or maybe even twice. Being mean is not okay, but bullying is much worse. Bullying is when someone uses their power repeatedly to hurt or upset someone. It could be hurting them physically or calling them names and saying hurtful things. So then, what's cyberbullying? Cyberbullying's like bullying, but it happens on the internet or on a device like your phone, which can make it kind of different. With cyberbullying, it can feel harder to escape because it can happen anywhere, anytime. Also, it's easier for cyberbullies to hide who they are. Plus, other people online could see what's happening and even gang up on someone. If you see someone being bullied, in person or online, what can you do? Give them support. It helps to show that you care. Be an upstander. Stand up for others and say something to the bully. Report what you see and tell a trusted adult. So, what will you do if you see cyberbullying?
Okay, after you see this video, okay, what is the cyberbullying? Now, I want you to think, what is the cyberbullying? For sure, you understand from the video what is the cyberbullying and the bullying in person. Cyberbullying means using digital devices, sites, and apps to intimidate the harm and upset someone. Okay. Target, it means the person who is on the receiving end of the bullying, This is the target. The person who is receiving end of the bullying. Bully, the person who is doing the bullying. Okay, and we have another things here. We need to reasons why cyberbullying occurs, ways to respond if you are cyberbullied, and ways to be an abstanders. I want you to think about these things before I'm going to give you an examples about it. You can pause the video and think about it. Okay. Reasons why cyberbullying occurs. Someone acts or looks differently than others. Okay. This is one reason. Someone is angry or resentful towards another person. Someone is jealous of another person. Someone feels bad because he or she has been bullied. Okay. Okay. Ways to respond if you are cyberbullied. You're gonna ignore the messages. Block the bully. Use reporting tools. Reporting tools, there is in many ways, and online you can report that person. Take a screenshot of messages. Okay. Talk to a friend. Tell a trusted adult. Okay. Ways to be an abstanders. We're going to know what's mean abstander. Abstander, what's mean before we're going through this one. Abstander means a person who supports and stand up for someone else. This is means abstander. Reach out to the target to see how he or she is feeling and listen to him or her. Inform a teacher, a coach, a parent, or another trusted adult. Encourage the target to not respond or retaliate. Encourage the target to reach out to a trusted adult. Okay, guys? Okay, we have another vocabulary here. It's called a bystander. Bystander. A person who observes a conflict or an acceptable behavior but does not take a part in it. Okay, like the person who see what's happening from far, okay, watching what's happening or anything like that, but he didn't respond. Okay, an abstander, a person who supports and stand up for someone else. We just say it now. Okay. Okay, guys, we have another vocabulary here. It's called empathy. How to be an empathy. To imagine the feelings that someone else is experiencing. If you are in his place, yani if someone bullying someone else, you need to be a part of feeling what he's feeling right now. Okay, guys? This is if you are in his place. Okay, you need to put yourself in his place. It will help you to support the other person. Okay. You need to remember all the time we are kind and gorgeous. There is one more thing, guys, you need to do. The assessment for today, you need to go to week 12. You will find there is a cyberbullying lesson assessment. It is 10 questions. It is multiple choice and true and false. Please make sure you complete it to get that marks. It is graded. Please be carefully when you answer the questions. It is very easy if you watch this video. Thank you, guys. See you next week.